So I think this is India's dream. We all have come together. Everybody in this film who has been part of this film is really come with one vision, one conviction to put our story to the global platform. So all of us are here keeping all our interest aside. We have only one interest, to tell Prabhu Sri Ram's story to the global audience, and also to celebrate him in our country. So thank you Namit for having this courage and this conviction. And Nitesh sir, thank you so much for guiding me and understanding me the characters' nuances and helping me do this. So thank you all. And Ranbir, you've been phenomenal, and I think whole of India will understand how you have surrendered to this role and what magic you have created. And Sai, of course, she's a fabulous actress, and to see her perform Sita's role, you have to see that her eyes says it all, and each and every actor, our Surpanakha, the way she has carried that role. I have heard this story. I should remember my grandfather today. I heard this story, but each one of them, Shobana ma'am, I think it's her luck that she agreed to do this role, because she brings in so much grace and value to the role. Of course, our Lakshman Bhai. So he will be a very surprise package in this movie. I think all of us will become his fan. And each and every person, apne Vivek, he and we, both of us had a great fun. I think you have a lot of surprises in the film. And sir, aapka voice or aapka performance. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
और मतलब apart from both of them being extremely gifted and extremely talented, I just felt that the kind of sincerity I was looking for, the kind of preparation I wanted the characters to go through to play such important roles, I could have found only in these two beautiful souls. Thanks. And I am so happy. I can't tell you, when you guys come and watch the film, मुझे साई नहीं दिखाई देती, मुझे सीता माता दिखाई देती है, मुझे रणबीर नहीं दिखाई देते, मुझे श्री राम दिखाई देते हैं वहाँ पे, क्योंकि इनकी आंखों में मुझे सच्चाई दिखाई देती है, और वही उन लोगों ने पूरी कोशिश की है पर्दे पर उतारने की. That's all I can say.
बहुत
It's not easy for actors to get roles like this, because एक भगवान, एक गॉडेस को प्ले करने के लिए इतना एक easy काम नहीं होता है. एक टीम होनी चाहिए who is putting their heart and soul into making it the best version of what they can present to the world, because it becomes itihas, it becomes history for the rest of the world to think go back to in the future. So ऐसे एक project में मुझे चुनने के लिए thank you so much. And when it comes to playing Sita Ma, I don't think I chose the role. I think I was blessed to play this role, because it's not something that you can go after. And it is not something that you can write down on a piece of paper and say, this is how I'm going to play. I would just sit and meditate and say, Sita Ma, you act through me. Whatever comes through me is what you want for the film. And I was always keeping myself as pure as possible, at least in my thoughts, to keep it very neutral so that I have the best version of me presenting there. And उस कोशिश में मुझे लगा कि मैं बहुत कुछ सीख लिया. ठीक लगा.
Going good.
Thank you.